tourism employment, Indigenous people, and dignity restoration. Dignity is at the core of Indigenous rights, yet tourism workplaces present substantial threats to the dignity of Indigenous workers in Mexico, who are often engaged in jobs that reproduce and reinforce colonial patterns of exploitation, discrimination, and subordination that keep them in a cycle of exclusion and poverty. Key objectives of humanistic management and reconciliation studies are to restore, protect, and promote dignity, and tourism studies are increasingly paying attention to the importance of dignity at work, including at individual, organisational, socioeconomic, and policy levels. This study draws on key principles of these cross-disciplinary concepts to close an important gap in the literature by exploring how tourism employment has resulted in violations of the dignity of Indigenous peoples in urban Mexico. It proposes a framework including a range of concrete and actionable changes across psychological, socio-cultural, and economic dignity dimensions, which combined have the aim to recognize and support collective and individual identity and promote dignity restoration for Indigenous people. By doing so, this research advances the conceptual understanding of dignity and guides its practical implementation in tourism employment and management and policy. Finally, this study demonstrates how dignity-restoring practices may result in improved company performance and reputation and contribute to the Sustainable Development Goals. Learn more